Your Panasonic TV won't turn on, and that red light is blinking. It's actually trying to tell you what's wrong. There are 12 blinking patterns, and each blinking pattern points to a specific problem. To find your exact pattern, here's what to do. Unplug the TV, wait about 60 seconds, then plug it back in, but don't press the power button. Just watch the standby light closely. It'll blink a certain number of times, pause, then repeat that same sequence. That number of blinks is your fault code. Count it 2 or 3 times to be sure you've got it right. Got your number? Let's go through what it means. One blink usually means the main board or its software has crashed. This one's worth trying yourself. A force reset or firmware reflash can often bring it back. 2 blinks points to the power board drawing too much current, often from a short somewhere on the main board. This one really needs a multimeter to diagnose safely, so it's a tougher DIY job. 3 blinks is a communication failure on the main board, often just a dirty or loose ribbon cable. Reseating or cleaning it can solve this one. 4 blinks signals a power supply voltage problem, and good news. This is usually a swollen or failing capacitor, which is one of the most beginner-friendly TV repairs out there. 5 blinks means a panel connection issue. Check that LVDS cable between the board and the screen. 6 blinks is a backlight failure, either the LED strips or their driver. Also very repairable if you're comfortable opening the panel. 7 blinks means the main board is overheating and shutting itself down. Clean the vents and consider repasting the heatsink. 8 blinks points to the audio amp or a shorted speaker. Check your speaker wiring first. 9 blinks is bad news, a panel or driver IC failure. Repair potential here is very low. 10 blinks suggests a secondary fault on the power board, like a missing 12-volt rail. Check capacitors and resistors. And 13 blinks, common on newer 4K HDR models, usually means firmware corruption. A forced USB firmware recovery can often bring it back to life. One more thing. If you've got a newer Android or Google TV model and you see a slow, irregular blink with no clear pattern, that's usually a failed software update. The fix is the same. USB recovery mode. Some blinking pattern are fixable at home and some need a professional help, and I hope you know what to do. See you soon.